Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Quarter 4, PE and Health 7, Lesson 2, Week 3 of Deped Matatag curriculum. Let's begin. Learning competencies and objectives. Content. Activating prior knowledge, short review. Activity, Forced Aid Hero Challenge. Scenario number 1, arm injury. Scenario number 2, head injury. Establishing lesson purpose. Lesson purpose. Activity, video explorers, discovering stories together. Video number 1, driver tiredness, fatigue and road safety.
Driver tiredness and fatigue is a killer on our roads. Too many rollover crashes and head-on collisions are caused by drivers falling asleep behind the wheel. Signs of driver tiredness include struggling to keep the eyes open, yawning frequently, and slow reaction times. A tired driver may also wander across the center line and drift across other lanes, over road markings, or follow other vehicles too closely and have trouble remembering the last few kilometers. Stop and rest before it is too late.
Processing questions. Establishing lesson purpose, unlocking content vocabulary. Activity, cipher quest, crack the code. Cipher keys. Messages to decode. Subtopic 1, Dangers of Distracted Driving. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Activity, avoiding distractions while driving. Scenarios. Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Activity, text detectives, read, analyze, answer. Types of driving distractions and why they matter. Processing questions. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Activity, road distractions and safe driving. Subtopic 2. Dangers of driving under the influence of drugs and alcohol. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Activity, word web, understanding impaired driving. Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Risks of driving under the influence of drugs and alcohol. How to stay safe. Alcohol versus drugs, the impact on driving. Bottom line, stay safe. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Activity, impaired driving, risk, consequences, and alternative choices. Table template. Helpful tips. Subtopic 3. National laws on road safety. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Road safety laws. National laws on road safety in the Philippines. Developing and deepening understanding, worked example, activity, matching type, road safety law. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Activity, drive wise, scenarios for safety. Instructions for each scenarios. Synthesis, extended practice, differentiation. Making generalizations, learners' takeaways. Self-assessment, confidence in road safety learning goals. Making generalizations, reflection on learning. Let's talk about it. Evaluating learning, formative assessment. Quiz time, multiple choice. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.